Good morning and welcome to today's review of the ViewSonic IFP5551 55-inch 4K ViewBoard interactive smartboard. In this review, we'll take a close look at this powerful educational tool and find out if it's the right fit for your home or office. Imagine being able to engage your students in a lesson on world history, having them create their own interactive maps, and being able to project your notes directly onto the screen. Sound impressive, right? The ViewSonic IFP5551 has been designed to make this level of interaction possible, and it's packed with cutting-edge features that will revolutionize the way you learn and teach. But let's face it, the world of educational technology is a crowded one. We're bombarded daily with new software, hardware, and accessories that promise to make our lives easier. However, many of these tools don't deliver on their promises, often falling short in terms of performance, user-friendliness, and value for money. In this review, we'll explore whether the ViewSonic IFP5551 fills this gap and delivers on its promises. So what's the first thing you notice about this smartboard when you unbox it? For me, it's the sleek and modern design, which instantly sets it apart from its more staid competitors. The 55-inch touchscreen display is a stunning piece of kit, with an Ultra HD resolution of 3840x2160p that makes it perfect for watching HD videos, browsing the web, or simply exploring online educational resources. The built-in stereo speakers deliver 70 W of power, producing crystal-clear audio that's more than capable of filling even the largest classrooms or home theaters. Now, let's talk about the advanced touch technology at the heart of the ViewSonic IFP5551. The 50-point multi-touch lets users write on the display with their fingers and stylus pens in incredible detail, making this an ideal tool for anyone who needs to take precise notes or annotate documents. But what really sets this board apart is its versatility. With an octo-core processor and support for both Android 14 and Google EDLA, you can enjoy seamless performance and access to a wide range of apps and software. Speaking of which, the integrated software suite is where the ViewSonic IFP5551 really shines. The myViewBoard package includes a range of powerful features, including Whiteboard, which lets you create interactive lessons and presentations, ViewBoard Cast, which enables remote access and collaboration, and more. With these tools at your disposal, you can create a fully immersive learning experience that engages your students at every turn. Whether you're teaching math, science, or language arts, the ViewSonic IFP5551 has the power to make your lessons more interactive, more engaging, and more memorable. So, how does this board perform in the real world? I've had the chance to put the ViewSonic IFP5551 through its paces, and I have to say, the results are nothing short of impressive. From the smooth performance to the seamless transitions between apps, this board is a dream to use. Of course, there are some trade-offs to consider. The lack of built-in Wi-Fi is a slight disappointment, but this can easily be overcome with a USB Wi-Fi adapter. And while the 4K resolution display is undoubtedly stunning, it does put a bit of strain on the processor, which can lead to some slight lag when performing resource-intensive tasks. Now, let's take a step back and consider the pros and cons of this impressive smartboard. On the plus side, the ViewSonic IFP5551 offers a 55-inch Ultra HD display, built-in stereo speakers, advanced touch technology, and seamless performance. It also includes a host of educational software, including Whiteboard, ViewBoard Cast, and more. On the minus side, it lacks built-in Wi-Fi, but this can easily be mitigated with a third-party adapter. When compared against competing options on the market, the ViewSonic IFP5551 stands out for its impressive performance and range of features. While some of its competitors may offer more bells and whistles, this board's seamless performance, 4K display, and versatile connectivity make it an attractive option for anyone looking for a high-end educational tool. And at a price point that's roughly comparable to its competitors, the ViewSonic IFP5551 is a veritable bargain. So what's the final verdict on the ViewSonic IFP5551? In short, this is an incredible smartboard that's well suited to educators, students, and anyone looking to revolutionize the way they learn and interact. With its 55-inch Ultra HD display, advanced touch technology, and seamless performance, this board has the power to make even the most complex lessons more engaging and accessible. That being said, it's not perfect. The lack of built-in Wi-Fi may be a slight disappointment for some users, and the processor can become slightly strained when performing resource-intensive tasks. These are minor quibbles, however, and can be easily mitigated with a few simple workarounds. In conclusion, I highly recommend the ViewSonic IFP5551 to anyone looking for a high-end educational tool that's designed to make teaching and learning easier, more engaging, and more effective. Whether you're a seasoned educator or simply someone looking to explore the world of interactive smartboards, this board is an absolute must-see. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to experience the ViewSonic IFP5551 for yourself and discover a whole new world of interactive teaching and learning. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review.